you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart your game. Pause Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs that lead to loading problems. Step 4. Verify game files. Use the Riot client to verify the integrity of your game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Valorant. This step can help eliminate any persistent issues that may be causing the loading screen to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.